Too much GH. We need to go to Japan. A break and best TV. Me share too much GH. The move for. Hey, almost sports and as entertainment. Hey, the move for. Munko so show mo. No anybody debia. Madam, I say love you.
Aha, too much GH. Aquaba sonko and coma was sabre waji edana washame away fidi kesi esumidi ede ekresi kapania body era and semno emuno and de yem papa ni ede bright rekun brobe aches or ye MP edema himine lower dentra e was central region waba abonte ede nense bi abetu eye edra ye share ye da ye mampani na chese ye besi no ohene anase ye beka se ye dini esi mampani edra eso no on the 7th of January 2021 na answer na no parliament ede ye omusi nkonya na chese omo wose omonto aba emfa ema speaker na enumu na abato no mo chese edement me wansi bebre esore ye ma chese nguate de Ghana ye gi ebi epa efri amahodrofo no eho no ma chese do na ye so disappointed in us nanso some abato no mu ewie ye no na eya Alban Bagbin wono ye declare so no na ye the speaker of parliament na wokoko ye say ogina on the ticket of a NDC na no tiama MPP for do na ni abre just more pointing fingers on people wom so say womo ye Judasa wom wo ye MPP amanyoko ni mu enu ti wom tum edi etia ye Michael Kwe said ye be ya wontimi ye speaker of parliament ebiemu na ye papa bright reku brobe eka enkrofo achete na ye pointing fingers at him no eso na no na waba bonten edin nsema babetu edwa sm said ye enkrofo eka se wono oje paper no wanto eye abam eno de ballot paper no kokko share ballot box ni no won kwaliba no enye sam ene tie de biara eda no wono die Otto Abano Edema former Speaker of Parliament Professor Mike Kwe say wono na womemedi womo eso enti ye fingers a womo appointed e wono so ne de enye ne kwanso anu nya de say Otto Abano editia na manyoko MPP nya de so say Otto ede ema amanyoko NDC say womo enkrofo na memedi so wonye sa mistake na so won sheda endi na manyoko no abrom de biara eda na yem papa bright rekun brobe kasa no na wodi etu edwa ese ni nyina fabrications nkrofo na aheda fabricate ensem no na wo mudi etu dwa na time a develop papers no ema wo mu no wono na wo pen wo ne wonte no nso oteke ye no ye de pen baby fa ye no de kokotum enti na hu nya so besa kwakọ gina box ni mu akwakọ ye na obi ehu so wo kwakọ to enti se wo mu hu ne se because also one kwa gina box ni mu an show said there will be a show no enu nti wo mu gidi se bia wo no na ye Judas wo mu mu dia na obesere wo mu pa esem enye sa na etie na ebusuafom wo de nsem no etu edwa wo sem fabrication and distortion of the event that unfolded and can be considered contemptuous of parliament. Secondly, for the records, I voted for Professor Michael Kwe, and there are at least 4 different members of parliament who can testify to this. I was the last, but 3 voters who were called. I am the one in the blue attire wearing a white face mask in the video. When I stood up from my seat, I took a pen from Ayawaso Central MP, Honorable Henry Kwathe. I then walked to go collect my ballot paper. As I walked towards the podium, I slowed down and paid particular attention to the names of the 2 people on the ballot paper. As I climbed the stairs to the podium, I slowed down and further, and I used the pen I took from Honorable Henry Kwathe to take Professor Mike Okwe as my choice. Not everyone who voted actually made use of the voting booth by going to stand in it before taking their choice. A number of NDC MPs and MPP MPs like myself who had pens in our hands just went ahead to take after picking up the ballot and then walk upstairs to go drop it in the ballot box. Mind you, we did not have to write the names of the people on the ballot paper. All we had to do was to take a process that took less than 5 seconds for me to do whilst I was walking up the podium. Professor Mike Quay showed us over the last 4 years that he is compassionate, loving, and competent handler of the affairs of the house. And I have strong admiration for him as the best person to steer the affairs of this parliament, which is why I voted for him. Disregard any rumors that I didn't vote for him. I disagreed any rumors that I did not take the ballot paper. I voted for Professor Michael Quay. I am so baffled anyone would want to fabricate such outright lies about me. Let us not allow such lies to thrive. We any and then someone what they to a year a which manager say, I didn't dear or to abandon. Na enye se afei na e bia wo kwakotwo nipa ni din dia wo pe na asem ni din e wo ballot paper no so edin ya twotwo wie wo dia ne se wo beteke enti that time okura pen enti one ante nko de taken so wo take ade keke mpo de e take less than 5 seconds enti wo ye ni easy and wo de e wo kwoto mu enti de enkrofo e kan ene ensema wo mo to ede to ne so no enye sam na etie de biara eda wontimi endi abrosa wo hwe Professor Mike Quay ye ne nsema wa ya na se ni dwumedi a wadi e wo man no emu in the parliament on no say de wo yi na wo ye speaker na wo handle affairs na den na ebe ha no ana se no nti ebe mana ye na adu so betu edi etia no huni say na papa ne de wo se effort a second term na so ne wo ma nto ama no na wo anto ba wono de won kasa enkrofo no ehun ebi na ebusiafo ye di AC no subscribe to your channel no na ebiem like videos all the social media platforms na ebiem ensusu ye nua bema na ye papa na nsemo dia today woni ne ya adwen ewo ho anase still na ye nda so ngina so say wo kan Judas fo no ehun ebi aha ene edi ebesie enti for wadwen hwe no ebra tuma gye comment section na emrepem no making kind ede amam ekles kapa enmidi makram